In other clips, we've explored ways to add and rearrange items on the side Quick Launch navigation. As an option, you can turn off the Quick Launch and replace it with a tree view that automatically shows all the content on the site so users can navigate around in a familiar, expanding interface. It's easy to turn off Quick Launch and try out Tree View. Just start in Site Settings. In the Look and Feel area, click Tree View to open its rather simple options. Tree View makes use of the side navigation area. Uncheck the Enable Quick Launch to turn off the Quick Launch menu entirely. Enable Tree View by checking its display option. And click OK to see it in action. On the side, Tree View has replaced the Quick Launch navigation. Content such as lists and libraries are shown as icons. Libraries with subfolders have a triangle icon next to them and can be toggled to show additional content. Content is sorted in simple alphabetical order, and this sorting can't be changed. In addition, all site content is shown, even libraries that are behind-the-scenes areas and not relevant to members. Because of these aspects, Tree View has drawbacks that limit its usefulness for all sites. But its simplicity and low maintenance is an advantage, as new content is always available, and it's easy to see how content is structured. Tree View is yet another option in the multifaceted way SharePoint can display content to site members and viewers.